Hey everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video, I want to talk to you about how you can choose a filter on changing your gender on Snapchat. And this will be so damn strange right now what I'm going to show you. So let's start. First, I'm going to click here on my smiley face and double smiley face. And you can try to find here some good lens, but if you're gonna scroll here, you can possibly see this right way here. So right now it needs to load and you need to put it like, where are you? Oh my God, it will be so bad. Look, okay. So as you can see, we can choose also different one. My hair is not good as a woman there. And I don't identify as a woman, but oh my God, okay, let's see. Oh, I just made a normal photo. Wait a second. Yeah, it's really bad. Wait a second. I'm going to try something, but don't laugh. Don't laugh. Oh, damn! Yeah. So, yeah, guys, this is how you can add how to change the gender filter. Thank you very much, everybody, for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, you can support and subscribe. You know how it goes. Thank you, and have a great day. And let's just go with the normal, so I can say just normal goodbye to you. Yeah, here. Goodbye, and have a great day.